Well, good morning on our first full day here at Disney World, waking up to glorious sunshine. Woo! Yep, so we're coming over shiny. It's because I've put sun cream all over my UK skin. We are off to Hollywood Studios. Now, I woke up by myself about 6ish, so this has worked out quite nicely. 7 AM is when you start booking Genie Plus lightning lanes. I tried something this morning and it worked because we're going to be hopping over to Epcot later because I'm going to be meeting some friends. So, starting with Hollywood Studios, I've got a Genie Plus reservation for 9:40 for Slinky Dog Dash. I wish it would have been a little bit earlier, but that's what we've got. That's fine. And then I was able to change the park in the tip board and book an individual lightning lane, which is the fancy ride, the paper ride thing, for Guardians at 4:40. So we are going to be riding Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind later today. In the meantime, my bag is packed for the day. I'm in love with this lounge by my Iron Man gauntlet one. It is so adorable. And on the side, it actually says, I love you 3000. Doesn't match my outfit, but I don't care. It's so good. I debated makeup, but I've got a feeling it's going to get melted off out there. So I think I'm going to go out just as me. Just as me. Little old me. We're going to get the boat down to Hollywood Studios. We're going to try this from Swan Dolphin. There's a boat dock right out there. And I've got a feeling with the last stop before Hollywood Studios, so it should be a nice quick run without multiple pickups. I think. But we'll go down there and give it a go. Also, regular park hours start at 8:30, but because I'm staying in a resort that's eligible for extra hours, we can actually get into Hollywood Studios at 8. It is now about 7:15, so we actually need to make a move. Well, that taking the boat is a little bit epic. So I got to the boat dock about 7:25. Had to wait for 3 boats, and it is now around 8:10. So in hindsight, should have walked. But you think, oh, I'll get on the next one, Lesson learned. The crowds are nuts here at Hollywood Studios, but I can see big line to the right. That is for people who aren't resort guests. So let's go in and try. Morning Hollywood. Let's get in there. Let's go have some fun. So this is the line for resort guests. Over here, these people who are not. Benefits of staying at a Disney hotel. There's definitely a mob scene behind me. Even the cast members look scared this morning. So we're going straight up Hollywood Boulevard and we're going to go on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I think it's going to be the shortest wait of the day. See, people are free flowing in. That's what we want. That's why we're going here first. Haven't stopped walking yet. Let's keep going. It says 15 minutes. Let's see if it slows up. It's going to slow up a little bit now. Still moving in here. Stops about here just before we go into the next room.
Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together.
Okay, 8:35, walking off Minnie and Minnie's. That was more like a 5-minute wait. And now I'm torn because I can go down and do Toy Story Mania Alien Swirling Saucers with a small wait, or I've got about 25 minutes till Sully starts meeting and greeting, and I haven't seen him in so long. I think I'm going to go see Sully because that line is going to get really long. So we came in one man's dream and I am first in line to meet Sully this morning. He starts at 9 AM, so we're doing well, and I can't wait to get a hug from that 6-foot furry monster. It's been a long time since I met Sully. I can't wait. First in line. I am so excited.
We're going to see Sully. Step all the way in, my friend.
Good morning! How are you? You're all good. It's so good to see you. Can I have a hug? Is that okay? I'm coming to have a hug. Woo, can't get you. You're so up high. I'm down here. Up high. Down. My goodness. No. First tears of the day. Okay. Our first lightning lane isn't till 9:40. So we've got about half an hour. I say we keep on meeting the characters while everyone's going to the ride. So we're going to go and try and meet Mickey and Minnie now. And Olaf is just around the corner as well. That's the plan. We went straight to Mickey and Minnie's this morning. This is the line, and it's about 9:15. Woohoo! Well, it looks pretty quiet from here. We're just going past ABC Commissary, a quick service, and Mickey and Minnie Red Carpet Dreams is down here on the left. So we will see what the wait's like. Bringing the sparkle so early in the day, bringing the glamour to Hollywood studios. Is it okay if I give you a hug? Okay. I'm coming right here. We're just gonna have a hug right here. And we're gonna get some photos. I know, flowers, and you'd like this. These came from Paris. These ears. Wow. I know, Minnie is from Paris. It's so you. So you. Is she? Okay, I'm not ready because we're about to see Mickey.
Please stop at the red line right here.
I am stop. We are going to see Sorcerer Mickey. I don't know if he's going to do any magic today. We'll see. Are we making some magic today? Are you ready? Hang on, we're going to get scanned. Wow. So you've been following the spells. Now, last time I was here, you did a trick. Now, I don't know if you can do it again, but last time you seemed to conjure up a shooting star.
Mickey,
I don't know if it's going to happen.
Mickey, you got this.
I know you can do it. Look at that! See, you always had the power. I knew you could do it. Oh, Mickey. Oh, Mickey. Tears, tears, tears. Okay. We have to go now to Slinky Dog Dash. There are two ways I could do it. I could go that way and go around to Galaxy's Edge and go through there, but it's quite a way around and it brings us the wrong part of Toy Story Land. I am in fact going to go all the way around, I think. So we met Sully, we met Minnie, we met Mickey, we've done Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and now we're going to go do a Genie Plus, Lightning Lane on Genie Plus. So confusing. I need to do a video on Genie Plus and Lightning Lane and why it has two names, and crazy, right? More magic. I just went to get a Powerade and you're thinking, what is magical about a Powerade? I lined up and I was talking to Joel, the cast member. He'd spotted me earlier and he'd called out nice dress or nice ears. I said thank you very much and we'd had a chat, and then I came back to him to get my Powerade and he said, it's all taken care of, have a good day. I went, what? And on the bottom of the receipt it said Disney coupon. So I just got that Powerade with some Mickey magic. Thank you, Joel. I just saw Mickey acting out Phantasmic and then Joel does that. Magic, magic, magic. Okay, we're gonna go ride Slinky Dog Dash. Oh my goodness. It's a zippy little coaster. It doesn't look like much and then it really zips you. So off we go to Toy Story Land. Oh wow. Goodness, we have a lightning lane because the regular line is backed up right now. Hey everybody, so we have made our way over to Galaxy's Edge. I've done Galaxy's Edge a lot on my vlogs, but just to try strategy out, we're going to go look at the single rider line at Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run. Single rider line is a brilliant, brilliant way to beat the system. There's usually not that long of a wait, so we'll give it a go.
Reminder to
try the blue or green milk here on Batu. That is your stand right there. I personally don't like it at all. But some people might. With the Falcon right behind me here. Here is the situation at Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run. We have a standby wait of 115 minutes. We have Lightning Lane operating, it's 10 past 10. And single rider is open. So let's see how long it actually takes to do single rider.
I know. Me and Bowling got negative.
There's a single rider, straight into a group. If that's not walk on, I don't know what is.
people easy, eh? Weapons are outlined. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get them drugs out.
This is a serious business.
Those heavy guys are protecting the claim. Take them out. Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train.
The theming, without a doubt, in Galaxy's Edge is second to none. Absolutely brilliant. There's Chewie and Rey.
We knew how far back we were in the line.
Around. Look at that big Wookiee. Oh. Well, we're going back where we came from. We're going back to Toy Story Land because I managed to pull a lightning lane for Toy Story Mania. So we're going to go do that and probably get our make from China, pull the toggle so many times, but it is really, really fun. Like that, we'll cross over from Galaxy's Edge into Toy Story Land. The game is which character will you get on your car? So this one is Bullseye. Over there we've got Green Alien. It could be any mini game to play before you play the actual game. Alright, here we go. Woohoo! Gonna be a good game. So you have to look super stylish when playing Toy Story Mania. Alright, so this is it. You have to pull this way out from Toy Story Land, I stopped at the market to get the pineapple coconut slushy. I love both of these flavours. And if you're wondering where the market is, well, it's this place. There is One Man's Dream. There is Toy Story Mania. And if I turn around, right here is the market, and it's also where you can get Jack Jack's Num Num cookie.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la, choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level.
So we are sat in the shade at the Hollywood Brown Derby Lounge. This is an outdoor area, kind of an outdoor terrace. They have their own menu, but you can also order from the main Hollywood Brown Derby menu as well, which is great. So if you can't get a reservation for Hollywood Brown Derby and you want some fine dining, try the lounge. It works just as well. And there is some classics that we're going to try today. So this is their classic menu here. Some really good choices, although I don't want anything that heavy because the sun is pounding down. I am going to go for a different Brown Derby classic. We have the red sangria, and we have the ultimate classic. It is the cobb salad. I got the shrimp enhancement, and I like a little bit of blue cheese but not too much, so we've got this on the side right here.
We'll make it pretty.
That was very, very, very good. I got the shrimp enhancement on the cobb salad, which was $9. They gave me 4 shrimp. So we are at $2.25 a shrimp. Weigh that one up. Right, we've got time to have a little look at the stores before we're going to see Beauty and the Beast at 1 o'clock. But that was just the right amount of food. Okay, heading to the 1 o'clock Beauty and the Beast show. Tower right there. Do you see that sign? That sign that says Phantasmic. One day it's coming back. I miss it so much. Next time on the vlog, we take a jump into another galaxy. We're going to meet up with some friends and we're going to check out one of Disney's newest shows at Epcot. I'll see you really soon. Bye!